All right, so I got it down right now. Turn the camera on mode on, format it, shut it off, hit the shutter, and it starts up. Oh, no, it don't start up like that. You turn it on, you go to format it. When it's finished, you shut it down. And then when you're ready, you start it up before the 15 minutes. But everybody's camera, the Action 3, works perfectly when they, turn it on and they do the videos and they shut it down. It turns on right away. I talk about my Action 3, how I like it, out loud to you. If I like it or not, if something happens or not, I will tell you out loud what's happening with mine. And many people out there, they love their cameras. It works perfectly for them. And they go about shooting video. For me, I vlog, I shoot, I do everything. And when I see something that just doesn't look right, I'll let you know. And one thing, when I turn my camera on, I see that plus, the green. What is that? I need one more planter box. We bought dipladenias. And I'm trying to read up what type of plant it is. And I'm getting mixed reviews on the plant. Meaning, when I go to YouTube or I go look online, I'm getting mandevilla, something like that, a vine. Well, they say to cut the soft side of the vine and you're able to regrow it. And yeah, they got tubulars and they will, suck in the water and don't need to have water for such a long time. Doing a great job. Well, I got them at Home Depot. They're supposed to do great. No care in the world. Well, I'm going to go get another one. I'm going to cut it down and I'm going to try to regrow more than one out of it. They're not perennials. They're not going to come back each year. They're annuals. So that means I have to go collect the pod seeds and then regrow them next year. I'm going to try to take one, bring it in, and then I can multiply. Okay, windows, professional product installations. Maybe one day I could put a window in myself. I could do a great job. And it is what it is, man. So I'm looking, and I'm going to research again, quick release mounts for the camera, a wireless TRS microphone, but I don't want to be subject to the TRS. I want to have the USB-C, TRS, Lightning, and so forth. I did a video like this on my other vlog, like vlog 503, I think it was, let's say, and I'm sitting, and it looks like I'm floating in air. Oh man, you ever see that thing? Oh, look how we did this. Yeah, so I sat like this, and I was comfortable indeed. I figure this is a nice spot to sit down and give you a little yipping and yapping. Oh yeah, I got a pole lantern up, a little different than the one I got for the front. And the aluminum self-tap screws, they're not that great. If they're on there and they're locked on, you try to take it off, what happens, you could start to strip the head. So they should have been more steel, but maybe I should kind of find the replacements to get in there and not tie them down as much. And well, what's this? All right. We yapped about today, and I didn't see my microphone if it was on prior, and I apologize for that because I guess it's time to get a new one. I like one to stay on for more than 5 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, and that's where the Rode Wireless Go I love. And maybe I should go buy a TRS to USB cable and just get it over with. But that's adding a little bit too much stuff. Then I gotta go buy a cold shoe for the camera. Oh yeah. So DJI, we talked about the calibration of the camera, horizon calibration. And people don't get it. They say, oh, my camera works perfect with or without it. Well, they just put it out there to show you it's there. So, hey, you know, why are my pictures so cockeyed? And DJI will tell you, you're going to have to calibrate your camera. And you put it on a flat surface, and 30 seconds later, you're done, calibrated. Some people don't even want to do that. They say it works. There's no need for it to be calibrated. Why have it? And DJI doesn't come forward to telling you anything about it. To cooking, but the bagel store front is closed. So they must open up at 7 o'clock on the days. Well, at least you know you're getting fresh bagels and not cold bagels like some stores. They have bagels out there. When you get them, they're not hot bagels. They're cold bagels. I love a hot, heavy, weighted bagel. Nowhere to be found ever again. Well, I am just about ending my review. I had a good talk, a good bike ride. I went to the end, and DJI, you were right there with us, buddy. We appreciate that. We thank you for making a great camera. And I hope others also get the idea about how DJI works, performs, and outstands. Well, I got some work to be done, take care of some business, and all that good stuff. And I'll catch you on many other videos to come. I'll see you later. I'm Fish, and I'm out of here. No, I'm not doing a Boy Scouts salute.